Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into an online store that has been getting some serious attention recently, Indio clothing. Is this the latest fashion find we've all been waiting for, or is it a scam that you should avoid at all costs? Before we get started, a quick disclaimer: all the information I'm sharing today is based on my research and personal experience. So, Indio Clothing markets itself as a trendy clothing store that offers a range of products, most notably weighted cloaks, which sounds pretty unique, right? According to the website, they claim to be based out of Australia, with shipping times ranging from 5 to 12 business days. But here's where things get sketchy. First up, there's no official website for Indio Clothing that I could find with a simple Google search. That's already a huge red flag. Then on Reddit, I found a post from someone who ordered two weighted cloaks from their website. They were told the items would arrive in 5 to 12 days, but after 12 days of no updates, they reached out to customer support only to get no response. Even weirder, the website now has bikinis listed with discounted prices, but there are no actual photos of the products. Suspicious, right? Another major issue: the reviews. The site claims it has a 4.9-star rating based on over 2,000 reviews. But when people took a closer look, it turns out there are only a handful of actual reviews, and some of them are even duplicated. Sounds like fake reviews to me. And it doesn't stop there. Over on Trustpilot, the company has a 1.3-star rating, with nearly 100% of the reviews being 1 star. Most customers are saying they paid for products but never received anything, and their emails went unanswered. One reviewer said they ordered in March, and here we are months later, still no delivery, no refund, and no response. So what's the final verdict? Honestly, based on my research and the overwhelming number of negative reviews, I'm going to have to say Indio Clothing looks like a scam. The lack of a legitimate website, fake reviews, and disappearing customer service are all huge red flags. If you're thinking of ordering from them, I strongly recommend reconsidering. And that's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.